happy Sunday afternoon. It's Tim with Beach Dollar. We're here in Islamorada at Founders Park at the annual gigantic Nautical Flea Market. Over 300 vendors, 18 food trucks. It's quite the event, and the weather is perfect today. Temperature's already in the mid-80s, 4-mile-an-hour winds, and if you're looking at going out in the water, this is your day. But until 3 today, over 300 vendors, just the absolute largest event that we have here in the Upper Keys every year. And we're going to showcase a few for you, starting right behind me. I'm going to turn the camera around. We're going to say hi to Michael and Key West Spice out of Key West. Pretty hard to miss, keywestspice.com. And you can always see on his website where he's going to be next as far as the markets and shows and whatnot. This one happens to be a personal favorite. It's not only the seasonings, but also the sauces. And, yeah, as you know from our previous videos, the coconut fusion for your coconut shrimp happens to be our favorite. But you come on out, spin the wheel. You might win a freebie. But awesome pricing, locally made, locally owned by Michael himself. And it's been around almost 30 years in the spice business, so you can check them out at keywestspice.com, but also come right out, actually taste a free sample, see what's new. The recipe cards are highly recommended. We're right here in the middle of the gigantic flea market. And Michael, what's new today?
Oh, well, we have a new line of hot sauces that are moving very well. We have a mango, a pineapple, a key lime, and a banana. And they're really hot right now. Everybody's loving them. And stop on by, spin the wheel. Maybe you'll win. Spin the wheel of spice.
I tell you what, Michael really knows what he's doing. His product really speaks for itself. So if you're around, you want to try it, or check out beachdollar.com. We always have a nice promo. You can save 20% with promo code directly on your orders at keywestspice.com. It's really cool when you have the real deal. Everyone, have an awesome Sunday.